Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play a super popular guitar riff. I'm talking about Eye of the Tiger, song that was used on Sylvester Stallone's film Rocky. It's really easy to play. We're going to use only power chords using 5th and 6th string. So take your guitar and let's play it. To play the riff of this song, we are going to use only power chords. If you haven't played power chords before, it's a way of playing chords where we put a position on the left hand and we just move that same position up and down or changing the strings. In this song, we're going to use only the 5th and 6th strings, so we are going to move only the hand up and down. We're not going to change the strings. And the position is like this. We take the index finger and we put it on the 8th fret, 6th string, and at the same time, with the ring finger, we put the fret 10 on the 5th string at the same time. And when we play power chords, with the right hand, we're going to play only the strings that we're holding down. In this case, it's the 5th and the 6th. So we play those two strings at the same time. Okay, and there we have the first power chord of this riff. And what we do is that we play that one time, and after that we have rests, so we have to lift the fingers. We don't take it away from the strings, just stop pushing. In that way we get those rests. Okay? After that, we play again the same power chord, and then we move the left hand until our index finger comes to the 6th fret. So from the beginning, okay, and after that we come back to the first power chord that we played. So it becomes like this. And when we come to this last chord, we have rest after this one, so we are going to lift again the fingers to get those rests. Okay? And there we have the first measure. I think that we can try to play the first measure together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and then we arrive to the second measure, and it starts with a rest. That rest is 2 beats long, so we have to count 1, 2, and then we play again that 8, 6, 8, like this. So when we arrive to the second measure, we do 1, 2. Okay? I'm going to put together the first and second measures. Pay attention to those rests that we have. 1, 2. Okay, show you one more time. 1, 2. So let's try measures 1 and 2 together. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Okay, let's try again, and this time I'm not going to count on that rest. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And then we arrive to the third measure. It starts as well with the same rest, a 2 beats rest. So we count 1, 2, and we play almost the same. It's again 8, 6, but instead of coming back to the 8, we come to the 4, like this. So the third measure sounds like this. We start with the rest. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, we have to change the left hand kind of fast there. So if you have never played power chords before, maybe it's a bit difficult, but just keep practicing. At the end it's really easy. So I'm going to put together the first, second and third measures. And now let's try together. Measures 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3 and perfect. And when we arrive to that last power chord and you look at the fourth measure, we have to hold that power chord the whole measure. So we have to count until 4, 4 beats. So when we play that chord, we do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to start again. We're going to just keep repeating the same riff. So I'm going to show you playing the whole riff 2 times, and then we try together. Pay attention to the rests. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and okay, so now let's try together. Remember that we play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and that was Eye of the Tiger. If you want to get more videos like this one, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn how to play and you don't find it in my website, write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video tutorial for that song. Thanks for watching this video and I see you in the next one.